So I'm Austin. We're here at Faith Bible Fellowship Church to replace the old steeple with the new steeple laying on the ground in 3 pieces. We'll pull the old one down in 2 pieces, assemble the new one on the ground, and set that new one in 2 pieces. Yeah, let's get after it.
You want to go in a certain pattern? You know where you're at?
Start in this back corner and work our way to the door. One this way to your left, to the last one.
Okay.
We're going to do the one on that side to the right, the left, then right, and this one back in. He's right there at the corner.
Okay, I can hold the all thread now. Yep. Yep.
Piece down, how we feeling?
Oh, it's good. That went down real nice.
Did it?
Oh yeah. That's hopefully our new one goes up just as smooth.
We're going to do a little...
Yeah, there we go.
A little bit of that.
So now that the old one's down, we're going to stand this one up behind us here, flip it up, get it set up in the yard, then stand the center section up, put it out in the parking lot up on blocking so we can crawl inside of it to stand the steeple up on top of that yet, and then set that in 1 piece. Tired. now.
Don't
Honestly,
talk about
good,
it now.
Good. It should be ready to go up here in about 15 minutes or so.
Sweet. Cable down easy. Coming down. Cable down easy. 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 See that pencil mark? Yep. Cable down easy. Slow more down.
After a long day of trying to retrofit a new steeple on one that was 50 years old or so. We finally got the new one up. I want to say a special thanks to the crew that was here all day long trying to help get this done, knocked out in one day. It's definitely appreciated. These guys come in here, they're effective, and the crew definitely pulled through. We got it done. The client's happy, I'm happy. We're on to the next.